Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1986 K10 4x4. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the 4-bolt main heavy duty block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, brand new balancer, roller lifter camshaft. The aluminum heads are on there. We have the Chevrolet script black valve covers with the black intake manifold. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats in there. You have the extra water ports for the coolant switches on there. Quick fuel carburetors on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Proper oil pan for the K10. We have the HEI distributor on there. All the Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there. We have the proper flywheel for the 86 K10. Proper balance and tooth count. Pilot bushings installed. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. High flow fuel pump, all the fittings are in there. Heavy duty Russell fuel line. All the fuel lines are ran up to the carburetor, electric choke wire. The customer is going to be getting the pulley kit. I will be putting that on. So every engine is live run for over an hour. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Everything will be dialed in. Timing is set, carburetors adjusted, and you'll have total confidence putting the engine in that you know it's right. So if you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it, our 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package. Thanks for watching.